Buildium training video. In this video, I'm going to cover essential Buildium features for property managers to streamline their operations effectively. First, log in to Buildium. The dashboard provides an overview of properties, tenants, and maintenance tasks. It is your central hub for managing day-to-day activities. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like on the website. Now, to add new property, go to the Properties tab. Enter address, unit details, and rental rates. This information helps you keep track of occupied and vacant units. Next, move on to the leasing section. Here you can create and manage lease agreements, record tenant information, and schedule rent payments. In the Maintenance tab, create work orders, assign tasks to vendors, and monitor progress. This feature ensures that maintenance requests are addressed promptly. The Accounting section is where you manage rent payments, apply fees, and generate financial reports. Proper bookkeeping helps you maintain accurate financial records. Buildium also includes a resident portal allowing tenants to pay rent online, submit maintenance requests, and access important documents. The self-service feature reduces communication delays. And that's your Buildium training video from 2025.